To start your figure sculpture, first we need to create what's called an armature. And an armature is basically like the skeleton of your sculpture, and we'll be covering this later with model magic. So to start this, everyone will get a sheet of aluminum foil, and you want to draw some lines that we will be cutting. So first, on the bottom, we're going to draw a line starting from the middle, and you want it to be about 4 inches long. You also want 2 lines on the side, about the same length. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Okay. And we'll be taking our scissors and cutting along those lines. And what we're doing is we're dividing the foil into sections, and the top section is going to be the head, these 2 sides will be arms, and then these 2 sections will be legs. So we're going to start by squishing the top section into a ball for the head. Just want to carefully do this. Keep in mind, the foil can rip pretty easily. Then you want to squish each side for the arms. And I don't want to make it into a ball for the arms. I want to kind of squish it more into the shape of an arm. And then we'll do the same thing for the last 2 sections for the legs. And this is how you'll start your armature. So just be careful that you're not accidentally ripping off the legs or the arms. Okay, so this is how we start, and it doesn't really look like a person too much yet. We want to get it to this point. So it's going to take probably at least 2 more sheets of aluminum foil to wrap around our armature to strengthen it. So I've cut some aluminum foil into strips, and I'm just going to wrap some more around each section to strengthen it. So I'm going to start with the arms. And you want to wrap it around and then squish it down. Remember to be gentle, because you don't want it to rip. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the legs, for the torso of the body, which is like your chest and your belly. These legs right now are really short, so I'm just wrapping the foil around to try to extend it, make it a little bit longer. And you want to make sure that your sculpture also has feet. Okay, so you can bend the end of your leg to start making feet. Okay, so you want to take your foil and just keep wrapping each section to create the size of your armature that you need. Okay, so this was after probably about 3 sheets of foil. Once you have it strengthened, you can pose it however you want. Make sure your figure has feet, and then you'll be ready for the next step.